Homelessness does not belong in a society where every faith preaches love. Every culture values community, and every conscience knows no one should be left without hope or home. We hear it all the time. The city will take care of it. Or, that's the region's job. Some say it's up to the province. Others point to businesses, charities, or churches. But let's be honest. It's everyone's responsibility. We've reached a point where passing the blame has become more common than taking action. Governments at every level have dropped the ball, and too many now treat it as acceptable for citizens to live in conditions we would call deplorable in developing countries. This isn't about politics. It's about people. It's about our neighbors, our seniors, our children, and those who fall through the cracks of a system that was meant to support them. Waiting for someone else to step up has only deepened the problem. Real change begins when we stop pointing fingers and start joining hands. When cities, regions, provinces, businesses, and everyday residents all take ownership. Because dignity, safety, and compassion aren't someone else's job. They're all of ours. Homelessness does not belong in a society where leaders speak of growth, businesses profit daily, and communities flourish, while men, women, and children are left without the basic right of shelter. It's time we stop asking who should fix it and start asking what can I do today to help.